Welcome back to this channel where we'll be talking about the gospel, spiritual awakening, affirmation, and manifestation. So, on today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to make your wish come true. There are several ways to make your wishes come true, and I'm going to be taking you through one of the processes to make your dreams or your wishes come to reality faster than you can ever imagine. For this spiritual exercise, you're going to be needing some things like your paper. You need your A4 clear paper. If you don't have a plain paper in the house, you can use any kind of white paper. Then you'll be needing a pen. Those are the main tools you need for this spiritual exercise. So for this manifestation work, you are going to be writing your wish 7 times on a paper. You're going to be writing your wish 7 times on a paper, just as how it is shown to you on that clip. You'll be writing your wish. For example, if you need money, you're going to write something like, I attract a particular amount of money. Let's say, for example, you have to be sincere to yourself and understand that you have to be in reality with what you're doing. You cannot be in a place of earning 100k in a month and you're writing. Your wish can actually be more than, but I'm just talking about you doing some spiritual exercise that can bring your wishes to pass in few days. So I'm not saying that it's not possible for you to earn 1 million. Anything can happen, but I want you to be as realistic as possible in your wish. So for example, if you're earning 100k every month, maybe in your business and whatever thing you're doing, you can start by, from this month henceforth, the first wish when you write, from this month henceforth, I began to earn over 200, they mention your currency, if you're in Nigerian, 200,000 naira monthly. Then you are going to write it 7 times. Then at the back of your paper, you are going to write anything to seal your manifestation or your affirmation. You can possibly write, it is done already, or you can write, I received it already, or God has done it already. You can write anything at the end, at the back of your paper, to seal your affirmation. And why do we use 7? Why do we say you should write it 7 times? Because 7 is a number of manifestation, and it's also a number of abundance. Do you understand? So after writing your wishes 7 times, and I also implore you to do this in a period where you will not be distracted. So by the time you have written your wishes 7 times on a paper, and then at the back of your paper you are going to write, God has done it, or I have received it, or now I am living in my manifestation. Write anything that that will seal your affirmations or manifestation. And then at the end of it, you're going to fold that paper towards you, and you're going to put it under your pillowcase, that's inside your pillowcase or under your pillow, whichever one that is fine for you. You're going to put the paper there, and it's going to be there for 7 good days. Now, the tricky aspect is this. I also want you to stay positive during the days of writing your wishes, because our mind, whatever we reason or do with our mind, usually comes to pass, especially for those that have been doing different kind of spiritual exercises to awaken their spirituality. So your thought is very, very, it has a lot of energy in it, and I implore you to keep it all positive. All positive. So the extra tip for doing this is, you may want to put your wish that you wrote in a clear bag, a clear white transparent bag, and you can add like cinnamon seeds, you can add sea salt to make it more authentic, but it is not compulsory that you do all of this. You can add green mint, you can add bay leaves, but if you're adding bay leaves, you'll be adding 7 bay leaves in it.